Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another Christmas holiday nails. And I love these are super easy to do, so stick around if you want to see how you can do it as well. You want to start by painting your nails with a color of your choice. I have chosen this one because I think it looks beautiful with combination of gold, so that's what I'm doing. And then on a striper brush I'm taking some gold nail polish and I'm going to create lines. As you can see on the video, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I know that everyone knows how to do these lines, but I wanted to show you. And clearly these lines would look a lot better if you make them thinner. For some reason I made them pretty thick and I'm not sure why. I'm guessing it's because I have been sick, and I know that I have been saying that in my videos, but I've been stuck with this crazy flu, so that's the reason my drawing and everything was a little bit off, but I didn't want to stop making videos. Anyways, I did add some dots with a dotting tool, and then I added a little star, which is like a star stud, and you can get these at your local nail supply store, or you can find these online. Actually, there is so many places you can get these. They're pretty cheap, but they make the whole manicure look 10 times better. Then you want to apply top coat just to seal everything in and adds beautiful shine, and I think it just kind of melts whole design together. It looks much better in my opinion whenever you apply top coat. So that will be it for today's video. I will talk with you in tomorrow's video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle, and also let me know your thoughts in comments. Give this video a thumbs up because you know that means a lot to me, and I will talk with you tomorrow. Bye.